Efrem Lawrence, personal injury attorney at E.L Law Firm. In this video, I give you 8 simple things that you can do whenever you're in a car accident. Number 1, stop and investigate. 2, call for medical aid for anyone who seems to be injured or says that they're injured. 3, be sure to notify the police. 4, immediately report the accident to your own insurance as well as the DMV. 5, you're going to obtain the names and phone numbers and addresses of any of the witnesses. 6, do not admit liability to anyone. 7, do not discuss or give a statement about the collision to anyone but the police or your own insurance company. 8, make sure you exchange information with the other party, including driver's license, insurance policy information, address, and phone number. Do these 8 things and you have a solid base for rectifying and taking care of everything that goes with being in a car accident. If you ever have any questions, give us a call, 503-217-6116, or email us at help@theellawfirm.com.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share the video. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.